There's another one, Whānau. Look at that. Whānau Norty. Welcome back to another Norty Outdoor episode, vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome in Whānau. And if you've been watching from the start, welcome in as well. On this vlog, we're gonna head down to Rotorua, Red of Vegas. We're just out of Whānau at the moment. Gonna go see sister-in-law, my partner's Whānau. So that's us, Whānau Norty. Look at this. It's pissing down. There's a fire truck just up there. Ambulance. Oh. There's a heli coming on the Brendoans. And you know that's a bit of a serious crash when the helicopter comes along. Alright, we had a bit of a standstill. It's definitely a crash up there. Oh look, this truck's telling us to go around. I just seen a truck give us the signal. Turn around, it's no point. Yeah, let's turn around. Look, yep, see there's a car telling us to turn around. Whānau, that's the go. Yeah, so we just pulled up at Lang's Beach just for a bit of a break, bit of a stretch and a breather. Don't want to bore you too much on the road either, so this might be the last stop I pull you out again though, maybe further down. But yeah, this is the spot for now. Whānau, Lang's Beach, just out of Waipu. There's traffic starting to build up now from that crash, so gonna jump on that road to the Whānau Norty. Chur Whānau Norty. Just popping in to let you know we've just hit Auckland, about to hit the harbour bridge, so yeah, we're still on ways. Whānau Norty. So we just arrived into Rotorua, about 15 minutes from the house, I'd say, from the sister-in-law's house. Long trip, had to switch over there because I was getting a bit tired. We on ways and we almost there, Whānau Chur. So we've arrived to the house now, Whānau. Posted in Ngongataha, NGO, and that's us. To the Whānau. So just had a big feed. Sister-in-law and the bro made us some Mickey ass feed. Yeah, had a bit of a catch up and now I'm just outside having a bit of a smoke break. But see what the go is tonight, Whānau. I'll probably end you there for tonight and pull you back in the morning, Whānau Norty. Chur the Whānau. Morena. So we've just woken up, had our coffee and that. And gonna meet one of the nefts down the road for fly fish. Yeah, just waiting for the bro. He's gonna take us out for a fly fish for the first time, properly for the first time anyway. So we'll see how we get on. Chur. Yeah, we made it. What's this posse called, bro? Hey? What's this posse called? Norty. Norty stream, Whānau. Okay, for fly fish, eh? That's what it's called, fly fish?
Yeah, Roger, bro, a bit of spinach
in fishing? Yeah. And that's Cindy. Have you had any bites yet, Harlan? No. Any bites yet, boy? Yeah. Mean little posse this one, eh? Let the boys do their thing. I'll have a bit of a go soon. But yeah, we're just posted up on this side. Unless we've seen some fish. So the bro's seen some fish. Look at the little bro over there. No bites yet, our whānau. But we're still trying. She's pretty clear. Any bites down there, boy? Yeah, whānau, about to have a try. Look at this bad boy. I'll join the boys over here and see what we can catch. I'll show you my casting skills, eh? What's about?
Any luck?
Nah, not yet. A couple of bites there first.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Phew. See that cast? Whānau. What a fly fishing. These youngins around here, whānau, make it look easy to the normal surf casting, so
Just up top here. Oh,
but get in it. See what we can catch, eh? There's a break. No bites as of yet, whānau. The brother-in-law has though. But yeah, nothing for me as of yet. Oh, there's a knack to it, eh, whānau? There's a knack to it. Oh. What was he saying, bro? You could use lures.
yeah, out on the lake.
Oh, yeah.
You can whack the lures on over here too. Baits and shit.
Yeah. Oh, can you use soft baits too?
Out on the lake, yeah. Oh, anywhere, I suppose.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you're allowed to use those scented ones, though.
The scented.
So, yeah, it's not like the ranger's gonna bite us the face, though.
Yeah. Sprays on. You see that? Oh, swam right in the fucking tree. Yeah, what's is on? Oh boys. Trying to watch my line at the same time and capture the birds. Oh, unlucky. Bro's on. What's that one, bro?
Rainbow.
Is it a trout?
Yeah, bro, yeah. But it's skinny ass, eh?
Oh, yeah.
So I ate the hook because it was hungry.
See? Ooh, fuck. Correct it.
Oh, on the orange globo. Hold up. You can sort of tell us they're hens or fucking jacks, bro, like female, so the males, bro, they have this sort of hook on the end of their mouth.
Oh, like that?
That point right there, bro, yeah. Whereas the females have like a more, just flat, rounded.
Flat, rounded. So that's the male way?
They are pretty skinny anyway.
Yes. Nice bit of action from the bird. Chur. Yeah. Out there, find that. Yeah, one of the brothers just pulled up. Another brother-in-law, so that's us, we in there. Yeah, me.
Oh no! Oh, these are vloggers.
Yeah. Nice, bro. What's that fish called, bro?
Trout, rainbow.
Trout. Rainbow trout, Whānau. Yeah. Too skinny, eh? Yeah, we're still in there. Bro's caught 2. Man's has caught 1 over here. Another local to this area. Nice, bro. Is that 3rd one, eh? Oh, just. Look, this is the view. Who's first? Who's first, my G's? Oh, yeah. Yeah, all the boys are gonna jump.
Go, spit out. Ready? What are you doing? I'm thinking it's like a finger phone popping out.
Nice, nice. The boys are in there. Oh, the bird didn't jump. The bird didn't jump. How's the water? How's the water?
Warm. It's warm.
Nice. I'll go all you, my bro. Spotlights on him. Find it. Here he goes. Nice. Yeah. The bro. All the lads. Don't know who's going first though. Find it. All at the same time, or? Nice. It's making me want to jump in, eh? Think that's us, eh? Gonna jump in.
Do you want a video of you doing a fat ass cooking? I thought that was a vlog.
Yeah, boom.
Yeah,
I think that's us. We're gonna pack up and head home, and then we'll see what we do for our rest of our day. But yeah, that was a good couple of hours out for Whānau. With our boys. Yeah. All the young homies. But yeah, that's us, Whānau. We off. We off. Norty. On the road now, Whānau. Got to head to a swimming posse. Where we going? Karika. Yeah. Swimming posse in Rotorua. Norty side. Yeah, gonna have a bit of whānau time, bit of family time, and yeah, just chill at the swimming hole for a couple of days.
Oh, it's another day in a Babylon. I'm strong. All the positive energy makes me high. Take a draw of the herb smoke, me afloat. Irish state of mind, me I know.
just arrived at Lake Okarika. Whānau's just setting up the setup over there. Chur. So yeah, this is it, Whānau. Boys are already up there whipping. Our boys are in the corner there. Nice. So, bro. Yeah. Young staple. Nice one, my bro. Beautiful day. Beautiful day, Whānau on the lake. Nice family day out. Oh yeah. Bit of rumbucks. Bit of rumbucks, Whānau. Don't drown each other. Check that out, Whānau. Bloody Rotorua dick tours. Not gonna lie, Whānau, from my angle, I've read that way wrong. It was really Rotorua duck tours. I was wondering what the hell was that? Turned back and he was driving into the water, Whānau. Oh. There's another one, Whānau. Look at that. That's buzzy. That's so weird. Oh, the left side. That's not one. Ow. Yeah. No, boys, I ain't giving the tourist stuff, but how's that? Nice, nice. Yeah, so we're still at Lake Okarika. All the whānaus are out here. Boys are still munning down at the end of the wharf there. I just come up to have a bit of a break. This is the view, man. Warm as the other spot that we jumped in earlier where we were fly fishing. Bloody freezing. But yeah, nice posse this one, Whānau. Maybe I'll show you some entertainment. Holy shit. Show you some entertainment, eh? Oh, look at the dog, he's in there. Shout out, dog. Oh, you might have to jump in.
They wanted to bring her.
Dog's on a loose, Whānau. Hey, nah, I think he's just can see the ducks, eh? Watch that dog, my bro. Back, Whānau, he's coming back. Look at all the tourists, like, look at that dog swimming. It's probably totally brand new to them. Oh, no. No. I'm alive, show us money. Quick ones. Show us the form. Show us that wahine form, girl. Eesh. So the Norty does it, cuz. Oh, hey? Nah. But yeah, Whānau, we out there. Oh, show them up, eh? Ooh, those are two big pops, nice. It's my bro Harlan. Nice. Go. Show us what you got. Catch anything, mate? Oh, nice. Yo, man, it's caught 2 trout. Nah, that's mean. A feed's a feed, I guess, eh, Whānau? See what happens when we get back home, eh? See what we get up to. My engine's there for the day too. But yeah, to the Whānau Norty. So we done our shenanigans at the Lake Okarika, situated in Rotorua, and just having a bit of wind down time at the school. All the nephews and the nieces are already in there. I end up in there whacking the golf ball, or putting the golf ball, I should say, not whacking it around the school. That's us. We're just chilling for now. Just had a mean ass feed. Just had a good kai, so bit of wind down time with the whānau, so that's us. Check out these carvings, cuz it's a pretty some pretty Mickey carvings for a school entrance, I'd say. Mickey. Here's a family anyway. Really. Here's Lee. Big's over there. But yeah, that's us for tonight. Oh, is this the mini golf? Mini putter. Oh, you're right, Biggs. Oh yeah, fine, eh? That's us. Kick back here for a little bit and then probably go home and have a chill one. Chur. Wrong hole. Yeah, a lot of sticks in the way. Yeesh. Show us what you got. Oh yeah, I see. Oh, that was close. On it. Showing my my putting skills, eh? Oh, pretty good for heaps of sticks, I'd say. Heaps of stickities. Oh, show us the wheelie. More than I whānau. Yep. So me and the brother-in-law just come out to a lake spot. Sorry for all the shakiness thing because she's on my device. Yeah, that's us. We're gonna go collect some balls in all the bush, all the golf balls, and see what our day brings on later. That's us. Yep. Just found our first two whānau. Another two there. Another three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, one there. One whānau. Another ball right there. But yeah, look, we cracked it. No. It's our catch. It's the catch for today on the fields. Oh, that's heaps, eh, bro? That's us. So we're on for our hit later on or tonight. Oh, yeah. 3 balls, whānau. Oh no, actually, I will try this one. Oh, nice. That was a good one, bro. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's my best one. Yeah. Oh, sticking that. Different man. Oh, nice, bro. Straight down the middle. Oh, did it? Oh, shit. Bro. That's gotta be close, bro, I'd say. Morning, Whānau, Norty. This morning we're gonna go head over to the brother-in-law's house. He's getting ready to move up north, and yeah, up north. We're gonna help him do some lawns, do some maintenance around this footy, and yeah, come along. Look at those lawns, Whānau. Oh my gosh. What have you been up to? Don't mow your lawns.
I'm a bird.
Yep, that's us today, Whānau. We in there. Transform this place. Give you a bit of a buzz. It's a bit of a quick tour, eh? Bro's got a big footy here. But yeah, this is us. Jeez. But yeah, have a bit of a sweat up and then head to the lake, Whānau. Pop some monies, Lordy. Ready, Friday. Good. On the lawnmower, smashing the lawns out. Work in progress, Whānau. But yeah, Whānau, that's us, smashing that down. Norty, jump! Turn off, Whānau, Norty. So we're all done at the bro's house. Pulled up the skip on Whānau. Smashed out some of the lawns. Didn't get to do the weed eating though. But that's all good. So fire man's pretty hot. Gonna go grab a beverage, Whānau. Yeah. So just at the bottle loaf, Whānau, in Ngongo Taha. Right. Let's see what we got, eh? Just about to get down there and spray the edges. We'd kill the edges and then so a bit of maintenance. Nothing wrong with a bit of maintenance around the footy. Just waiting for our wahine to get back. We'll probably have a dinner ting and settle down for the night. But yeah, Whānau, that's us for today. Norty! Cha! Yeah, so that was us for today, Whānau. Done a bit of maintenance at the bros, and now we're just chilling with the nest. They're riding their bikes out on the street. If you can see that, yeah. But that's probably us for tonight, Whānau, and then probably resume tomorrow. Pull you back out tomorrow. Norty. To the whānau, Norty. Alright, so that brings this vlog episode to an end. We're just leaving Rotorua now. And yeah, heading back up north whānau. Oh, we actually got to stop in Auckland. Partner's got a concert, Maoli concert, and then see if I can sneak out for a dive in Auckland with the brother-in-law. So yeah, whānau. Hope you enjoyed this episode. And as always, whānau, keep it Norty. Ja.